set anytime you are.
And now our masterpiece, written by Koch here.
And John Seeger there.
Yes, indeed. This is called This Whole Town Got a Broken Heart. This whole town's got a broken heart. End of the line, yeah, it's run out of steam. They're coming tomorrow to take it apart. Better get out quick before they take your last dream. Out in the street, traffic crawls to the curb. The stoplights stay red most of the day. Hung up a sign saying, please don't disturb. This whole town is broken today. This whole town got a broken heart. And if you get stuck, they'll try to hang it on you. Tell them goodbye, and we'll make a new start. Gotta get out of the machine, it's a Chevy dark blue.